Hey guys, today we are going to be making some fluffy slime, and this from back here from last episode. So I don't add as much solution as I did because it isn't as, it's kind of hard. So yeah, try to add less because like when it breaks, it's not nice. See, it's just like eh. And if you squish it, you like break it. It's not fun. So you can like take a little bit, and that'll be fun to like just mess with in your hand for the day. But yeah, like I said, don't add as much solution. So today we are going to be using some glue. I'm using clear, but you can use any type. Some color. I'm going to be using the purple and shaving cream, and then we're going to be using the activator, which makes it not sticky or anything. So borax, and then a cup of hot water, and you just stir it up. I'm going to be doing that later on, so don't worry. So let's get started. First, let's add some glue. The glue is basically the slime, so add as much glue as you want. Mine is very heavy. I want this much. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah. So I added about halfway on mine because I have little cups. Oh, this is mostly from Michael's. So got my glue done, and then at this time add your color. So I'm gonna be using the purple. So you just add as many as you want. Oh, and you guys need a mixing stick. I'm literally using a wooden stick, which is probably not the best choice, but it's all I have. Oh, that's dark. Oh, well, I'm having a dark purple. I'll just put on this. Okay, so the reason I have two bowls is because this is the activator bowl. And then here, add the shaving cream, just as much as you want. My shaving cream is really fluffy, as you can see. Wait, does it say do not shake? Do not place in hot water. So make sure you have the fluffy kind. If you use the gel shaving cream, trust me, you don't want to use that. So shaving cream, you mix that in. This will probably lighten my color up. Just remember that it will lighten your color. Okay, that's a pretty purple. It's like a dark but pretty. There. So that's my purple. Ooh. Almost fell. Let's mix that up till the color's all blended in. You really want the color to look good. Alright, so you have that. And then I'll be right back. Oh, here, I'll just take you guys with me. Oh, sorry. Alright, so we are going to use this cup. And we are going to be putting hot water in it. So, as you see, it's just running water until it gets hot. So I usually use like really cold water, but for some reason, I don't know why, but oh, there, it's warming up. And you want it like the hottest your stink can go. But trust me, you do not want to like use it, be one of those people where they like take cold water and they're lazy and they just put it in the microwave. Don't do that, because then it'll get way too like hot, like really hot, and you don't want to make your slime hot because then it might ruin the stuff. So we're going to get this, then we're going to add in Not a lot. Here, let me put this to the side. We're going to add not a lot, but just some wax. This might be, oh no. Yes, I'm using wooden sticks. I would not recommend this. It's all I could find. Alright, guys, I'll be right back. I need some more water, I think. So I cannot dissolve in all of this. I need this. Alright, and I'm back. So, see, I just need to add water. And then if you look down here, you can check to see if you have any. But I know I don't have any more stuff. And then slowly, don't add it all at once, because then it'll be like hard, like my other slime. I accidentally added all of this. That's not good. So, slowly, just add. So, oh, this is hard. Let's add just that teeny bit and then stir it. So, okay, so as you guys see here, it's like, see, that's what you want. And if you want to, you can add some lotion. I'm using my brother's, sorry, Roman Knitter, subscribe to him. We're going to be doing a Let's Play after this. So add some lotion if you want to make it a bit stretchy. And it'll add it some smell, good smell. I added the lotion at the wrong time. No. Oh, it smells like my dad. Because my dad uses the same type. Oh, we need some more. So, you just, oh my gosh. It's like going to clean out your, oh no, I think I had too much. No. Come on, be fluffy, like you are supposed to be. So when you can touch it without it sticking to you, that's good. So, and you don't want it like really, like, alright. So, and then don't add it like until it's like perfect. Just add it until it's like slightly sticky, and then start messing with it. Cause I have other slime, and it was awesome because I didn't add all of this stuff. And it turns out I'm just gonna keep that. But if it's after a while, and if you've played with it for a while, and it's still sticky, like this kind of is, I think we need to add some more. But that stuff down there, oh my gosh, it's awesome. It's perfect. Like, oh, it's just a touch sticky. Yeah, cause my friend, she has like slime that she bought, and it is so sticky. I told her to add borax and water, but she didn't listen, and oh my gosh, it's so sticky. So, I wish you guys could smell it right now. It smells so good in here. Because the shaving cream is like it's supposed to make it smell like your lotion. And so like, sorry, that's another type that I read online. Why am I talking about that? So the shaving cream, it's like mint. And then I have a mahogany woods from Bath and Body Works. Oh my gosh. Oh, see, it's stretchy. very, very stretchy. And I just added a touch. Alright, so let's oh no. See, you can see it's working because when I take it off, it's not like leaving. Gross. So I just added it to the cup it was made in. And then, oh, good. That's working. Yeah. So you want it, oh, there, that's probably good. It's going to be kind of wet, but it's okay. Come on, let go of the bowl. Alright. And then just start playing with it. I'm going back and forth. Oh, this is nice. And your hands might get a little dyed. Don't get it on your clothes. I'm changing after this. Don't tell my parents. Just kidding. So the washing machine will get out because it's washable. Just kidding. But the washing machine will get it out. Trust me. Because men get shaving cream on their clothes all the time, I bet. So this is what it's supposed to look like. And then see, it's stretchy. So look. Let's see. Alright. So, let's do, what should we be called? Amazing Girls? The amazing people. Oh my gosh. So, my amazing people, just kidding. Not that